So if it is theory exam, you can notice it. Definitely one derivation they used to go. They will definitely will ask you. Is it as Devarsini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us once again we'll make for today's class we'll make a quick revision of derivations. Very simple method, simple way, and easy method. So this is the graph which we are using to derive. What is this graph name, Ra? Speed velocity graph.
Speed time graph.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, speed time graph. Speed time graph. Which the body is. What is that? Which the body.
The body is
Which a body is
of initial velocity.
already having some velocity.
Yes, sir. Does not start from rest.
Initial velocity. So what is the heading you kept yesterday? Check it. Yesterday you kept some heading, correct? What is that? You kept the heading for this graph that is called as speed time graph when the initial velocity, initial speed of the body is not zero. Yes, Pradosh? So the initial velocity already having some initial velocity. Whenever the initial velocity is not
Yes,
zero,
sir.
then we can say this is the graph. So initial velocity u is equals to not equals to zero. Then this is the graph which we are using. Understand, Devarsini? So this is the same graph we have been studied in the.
Yes, sir.
So from this graph we can derive what? Maitreya? From this graph.
The three equations of motion.
Equations of
Yes, we
motion.
can derive acceleration. We can derive the distance traveled by a body. Yes or no? Both we can use to
Yes,
find.
sir.
So by using this only acceleration and distance traveled by a body, we can derive three equations of motion. So let us discuss what is the three equations of motion. So let us, as we know, x and y axis intersection point is called as O. Let me imagine now the initial velocity is already body is possessing some velocity that is called as OA. What is that called as? OA. Yes.
Oh, yeah, that is used.
Now, what is the final velocity? AB. That is the uniform acceleration. What is this?
Acceleration.
Uniform acceleration. University, how to remember. If it is theory exam, definitely you have to remember this graph and you have to draw one. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Alana, good morning, everybody. Tamil Selvan. Maitreyan is there. Jayavash Pradosh or there. Next one who is Laksha. Next. So now, this is the final velocity. What is the final velocity? Final velocity is what? As I said, B point. B is the final velocity. So now if you want to find the final velocity or speed, what we have to do? We have to extend it into the x-axis. First, what is x-axis? What is x-axis? Time it is.
Sir, time x-axis.
And y-axis?
Velocity y-axis.
Speed or velocity. It is the speed or velocity. So that is you have to remember it. Now, if you'll extend it into the x-axis, then it will give you the final velocity of the body. So let me imagine that point is called as BC. What is that point, Ra? BC. Yes or no? Now, if you'll extend it into the x-axis to know the velocity value, that point we used to assume as what, Ma? E. What is this point? E point. Okay. So now middle, the intersection point here, the line BC, the intersection point, if you'll see, that point is called as, what is that point called as? D point. What we should call? D point. Understand, Ra?
D point.
Now, let us see, what is this OA called as? Jayvarshini, Alana?
Sir, initial velocity. U.
OA called as what, Maitreyan? OA called as initial
Sir.
velocity. Okay. Now what is BC called as? BC called as
Sir,
what?
V, final velocity.
BC called as final velocity V. Any doubt in this? Alana, my
No
Pradosh?
doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay. So now we have to derive. Tamil Selvan, if you have doubt, you can ask me. So now we want to derive the first equation of motion. So let us go with the first equation of motion. Now, Jayavasni, first equation of motion, what is that? V equals to?
V is equal to UT plus U plus
What
E.
is this equation called as? Also, we can call this equation called as something. What is that? Velocity equation.
Time.
What is this equation? Velocity time.
Velocity time.
Velocity time
Understanding.
equation.
The velocity time equation. So that is what you have to remember. VT equation. So now let us derive this equation. If you want to derive, I am saying you again and again the same shortcut. If you want to derive this equation, what you have to remember, guys? you have to remember only one thing. That is the final velocity things. So what is this final velocity, guys? What is this final
Sir,
velocity?
BC, sir.
The final velocity. Okay. So now if
BD
you
plus
take
DC.
line, very good. So BC line, middle we have one point. What is that point called as? This is
D.
the BC line, D point. So now BC is the sum of the two lines. What is that? Can anybody say? So I can say
BD plus
equals
DC.
to, it is the addition of two parts. What is the two parts? Anybody can say, please respond.
BD plus DC.
So BC is equals to BD plus DC. Is it any doubt? Please respond. Yes or no?
No doubt, sir.
So now let us imagine this is the equation number 1. Now from the graph, if you'll observe, from the graph, BC is equals to what, guys? You have to speak and you have to tell me. From the graph, BC is equal
Final velocity.
from the
DC,
graph.
final
Yes.
velocity.
From the graph, if you are not speaking here, then you cannot solve an exam. From the graph, as we know, BC is equals to what, guys? Final velocity.
Final velocity.
Now, same way, DC is equals to what? DC is parallel to AO or OA. Check it.
Initial velocity.
OA, which is equals to what? Initial velocity. Yes or no? Initial velocity. Yes, guys. So DC is parallel to OA.
OA.
So that is initial velocity. Same way, AD is parallel to what? AD is parallel to OC, which is equals to what?
OC is
Time.
equal to time.
Understand? That is. So now, is it BD we have any naming? BD we don't have any naming. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So let us substitute. We know that DC is parallel to OA, which is equals to initial velocity. Now substitute these values in the above equation. So what we is to get? Substitute BC and DC in first equation. So what ways to get BC equals to what? Final velocity, which is equals to BD plus initial velocity is U. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Now we want BD, as we have studied in the last class. Velocity time graph will give you acceleration. Yes or no? Velocity time graph will give you
Yes,
what?
sir.
Acceleration. Now
Acceleration.
from the graph, if you want to find the acceleration, then what we have to do, guys? What you have been studied?
Sir, the slope of the graph.
Slope of the graph, we have to find it. Yes, Jayvarshini, Alana, Laksha, slope of the graph, we have to find it. So now here,
Gives
if-
acceleration.
this is the BD. So if I want to find the acceleration, what is the acceleration formula from this? Can you able to say? So acceleration is equals to what?
Sir, V minus U by T.
Yes or no? So the change in velocity divided by time
By
taken.
time
Yes
taken.
or no, guys? Please respond me.
Sir.
That is now.
Change in velocity divided by time taken.
This is the equation number 2. Now, from the graph again, from the graph, stepwise you have to do Jayvarshini. Understand? From the graph, as we know, acceleration
Yes,
means what? Change in velocity. What is that?
Change in velocity
Divided
divided by time taken.
Time taken. Yes or no? Everybody, time taken.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
velocity, change in velocity is BD. What is the time taken, Ra? Time taken is AD. Yes, guys?
AD.
Now,
Yes, sir.
again, as we know, just now we have been studied. AD is parallel to what, guys? AD is
OC is equal to
OC.
time.
so which is equals to what? Time period.
Time, sir.
Acceleration A is equals to BD divided by, as we know, side you can write, AD is parallel to OC, which is equals to what,
Is
guys?
equal to time.
Time.
Can I write in place of AD time? Can I write in place of AD
Yes,
time?
sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now, we want BD. T is in division
BD is
here.
equal to AT.
AT. So AT is equals to BD. Any doubt in this? Yes or no? So
No
what
doubt, sir.
in place of BD, I can write AT. So now let us imagine this is the equation number 3. Now substitute equation 3 in where?
2.
Equation 2.
Equation 3 in equation 2. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Aksha, Tamil Selvan,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alana, that is. So now substitute what is to come. What is the equation 2? V equals to
V is
BD
equal
plus
to
U.
BD
No,
plus U.
what
V is
are?
equal
BD
to
plus
AT
what?
plus U,
AD
sir.
plus U. So now I can rearrange this one. So U plus AT.
V is equal
So
to
this is
U plus AT.
this is what our first equation. Yes or no, guys? This is the
Yes,
first
sir.
motion. All of you. Those who don't know, start deriving now. Everybody start do it. This is the first equation. Any doubt in this? You can ask me. First equation. Jayvarsini. So one
Sir,
shortcut
no
I
doubt,
will
sir.
say note. If you want to derive the first equation, so note you can keep. So to derive the first equation, we have to remember two things. What is that? This is the shortcut. If you forget sometime in future also, you can remember this one and you can write it. So if you want to derive the first equation of motion, so then 2 points you have to remember. One is what? First point, BC is equals to what? BD plus DC. What is the second point? BD is equals to AT. Understand, Amma? This is to come from A is equals to BD by AD, which is equals to what? A is equals to BD by T. Understand, guys? That is. So these are the
Yes,
2
sir.
points which will help in for what? Helping you to derive the first equation of motion. Any doubt in this? Please respond.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
No, sir. No
Yeah,
doubt.
Jayvarsni, understand Jayvarsni?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt means you can ask me. Tamil Selvan, Laksha, are you clear, Laksha? BD, if you want to derive the first equation, you have to remember these two things. BC is equals to BD plus DC, and second equation is what? BD is equals to, so next BD is equals to AT. If you remember these two, mind should say these two things when you need to derive the first equation of motion. That's all. So how to learn this one. Next meeting is going to end. Please rejoin fastly and we will start the remaining two equations. Okay. Join fastly.